Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete HP Smart account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your HP Smart app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option that says settings or account. Either you can tap on settings or you can tap on account, and then once you tap on that, here you'll find an option that says manage HP account. Simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to standard dashboard page. Now on the top left corner of the screen, here you'll be seeing your three bar icon. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is tap on account and then tap on the option that says profile. And once you are inside here, you can scroll down and there you won't be able to find the option that says delete account. So what you need to do here is simply tap on manage my account on the top right here. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to your ID account page. Now once you are inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on preferences. So here what you need to do is scroll down, and then what you need to do here is go back and then tap on help center right here. Now once it loads, what you need to do is contact the customer care, customer agent or your virtual assistant, and then tell them about your problem and on how to delete, and they will provide you with the basic instructions on how to delete your account. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.